Hey guys, it's Tony. I will be doing a full TA on Pltr. If you guys want to see the full video, because more than likely this video is going to be relatively long, longer than a minute. TikTok doesn't let me upload videos longer than a minute. So if you guys want to see the full video, feel free to go over to my profile on TikTok, click the link, and it's going to take you guys to my YouTube account, and you guys can see all the full videos there, right? So let's get started, right? I just off the bat, I do think Pltr is headed, down. I do think there's like a 99% chance that tomorrow or within the next like week or so we're gonna go down to 2266 or 2257, which is this next price zone on the downside. Like the 4-hour chart is bearish. The day is bearish. You can see that we actually made tops right here on the stochastic on the bottom. Let me see if I can do. Oh, we made tops on the stochastic. We crossed over on the bear side, and then for the MACD, on the day chart, we actually started losing a bunch of bullish momentum relatively fast, which is not a good sign. And we're also crossing over on the bearish side on the bottom of the 0.00 mark on the MACD. So there's like a 99% chance we're gonna go down tomorrow, and we're gonna hit this $22.57 mark. Depending on where we close tomorrow, if we do close under $22.57, I do think we're gonna go all the way back down to like $18 if we close under $22.57. I'm not bullish on Pltr right now. I'm 100% bearish. I do think that a lot of the momentum, or a lot of the consensus of the sentiment, it's gonna be a big day tomorrow for us to actually see where Pltr is gonna be headed in the future, right? Because long term, I'm still bullish because it still has this gap to fill between $30 and like $31. So I do think long term bullish is still the big play for Pltr, because it still has to go back up to fill this gap, right? This white spot that I added right here. It's a gap from that was created back in what, February 16th. So I do think it's gonna go back up. So long term, buying Pltr is a really good play. But I don't think that if you guys want to get in this position, I don't think that you guys should be buying right now. I think the buying prices right now are going to be 2250 or 57. The next point to actually buy Pltr is going to be 1862, and the next buying point is going to be 1590, unless we drop all the way back down to where we used to be, like, what is it, like back in October last year, right? Which I don't think it's good. I'm not that bearish. I do think 100% we're gonna go back and retest $22, and then there's like a 90% chance we go even lower, down to $18, $19. I do think there's a big chance that Pltr will actually go that low, which is the scary part, because everything right now, all the charts that I'm looking at, every single stock that I'm looking at, all the TA supports a big drop for all the stocks, right? So all momentum completely reversed from being completely bullish to completely bearish. So as of right now, relatively all the growth stocks like Pltr, Tesla, Amazon, all tech, basically, I'm 100% bearish right now. There's no reason to be bullish unless something crazy happens and the market rallies or something, and like, there's a very small chance that everything's gonna be bullish for a while. So as of right now, I do see us going more than likely down to 2250, and then there's like another 80-90% chance we go down to like $19. I mean, it's kind of scary what I'm looking at right now. The only thing that supports bullish movement is this weak chart right here. The stochastic is going to be creating clear bottoms, right? But this isn't going to happen for maybe like another week or two. So just letting you guys know, for another week, maybe 2 weeks, expect us to not necessarily keep going down like crazy, but going down and staying flat. I don't think we're gonna be bullish for that much longer. I think the whole market had a complete change in sentiment, maybe because everything's starting to open back up. All money from tech is starting to actually go into stuff like AMC or hotels, banks, whatever. That rotation into that cyclical rotation back into value stocks, I guess, is what's going, not value, but like things related to like the economy opening back up. So airlines, hotels, casinos, things like that. and all the money that was being made from tech is being taken out slowly and then being put into stocks that are, that were affected by all the closures and that are opening back up, right? But yeah, as of right now, I'm letting you guys know, completely bearish on PLTR. I think if I think if it does go back to my break-even point, PLTR, I do think I'm gonna sell the full position, and I'm just kind of gonna hold on cash, and I think I'm gonna do the same thing for AI. I don't think I'm gonna sell out of RKT, but as far as AI and the PLTR position that I'm holding, I do think I'm gonna sell out of that and stick to options for now, because I do think that swing trading right now, I don't think it's a good idea because I can't short anything, right? I'm not going to short anything. I can't short anything. And I don't want to. So I'd rather play like the options part, right? I'd rather buy puts for like a month out and then cash out when this actually hits this $18 mark, right? But yeah, like I said before, 100%, I am bearish right now on PLTR. I do think 100% we're going down to $22.57, and there's like a 90% chance we go back down to like $18.62, man. It's not looking good, man. I'll be straight up with you guys. It's not looking good.